If you try to download a file from Google Drive and see the message sorry you can't view or download this file at this time, don't worry, you can fix it by following this step. First, open the link to the file you want. At the top left, click File and choose Add to Drive. This will save the file to your Google Drive. Next, to open your Google Drive, click New in the top left corner and select Folder. Give a new folder name, then click Create. Now find the file you added in your drive. Click the three dots next to it and choose Add Shortcut. Select the folder you just created and press Add. Go back to my drive on the left hand side. Right click the folder you made and select Download. Google Drive will compress the folder into a zip file, which makes downloading easier. Finally, open your computer, download folder, you will see the zip file there. Extract the file, double click on it and open. Following this step lets you download file even when Google Drive blocks them initially without any extra tools or complicated settings. Hope you understand. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.